The policeman involved in the fatal shooting of 43-year-old Glester White in St. Deca, St. Anne on Sunday has been taken off frontline duties. Acting head of the St. Anne Police, Superintendent David White, says the residents have also agreed to end their protest over the incident. On Monday, residents mounted roadblocks on the St. Deca to Brownstown Main Road, severely disrupting traffic.
They assured us since our visit yesterday that they will not be blocking any road because they are satisfied with what we said to them. So far, we have seen that they have kept their word, so we have no issues where that is concerned. Where the policeman, as normal, the policeman has been pulled from frontline duty, and some protocols usually takes place when he's pulled from frontline duty.
Chairman of the Crime Prevention Committee in Clarendon is appealing to corporate entities in the parish to put some of their money into crime-fighting efforts. The appeal follows last week's revelation from the police that several teens were being sought for major crimes, including murder, in the parish. More in this report.
This is a wanted persons list for Clarendon. On the list are 2 teenagers. One of the 18-year-old is wanted for murder, and the other wounding with intent. 4 of the other 5 wanted men are in their 20s. The perpetrators of some of Clarendon's most serious crimes are young men who should have otherwise been productive citizens. It is a reality that pains the chairman of the Crime Prevention Committee, William Shaguri.
Believe me, I'm stressed and stretched to the maximum right now.
He wants the corporate entities in the parish to reinvest some of their money into the crime-fighting efforts in Clarendon.
There's a lot of things that they can do, you know. A lot of things we're trying to get people to mentor the boys. And that is not an easy chore either. You know, people just don't want to give any time. It's just a selfishness about a lot of people, man. It's selfish. And whenever they do anything, you have to pay them. You know, nobody wants to do anything because of the fact that it is the right thing to do to help the country.
We caught up with the Crime Prevention Committee chairman while he and his team were preparing to distribute supplies to at-risk youths and their families in some of the parish's tougher communities.
And they are the ones that are going out there and causing a lot of damage, you know. And that's why we're trying our best to see in what way we can do something to change these children's mind from being what they are to being something good.